Hey everyone, my name is Erica Montoya. I'm a 22-year-old hairstylist based in Hollywood, California. Today, I'm going to show you my process on designing my computer area. I started out with this Cowprint wallpaper. Before I applied it, I wiped everything down. I measured the surface area and started slowly laying it out. I used a ruler to make sure there was no bubbles, and I cut the corners to fold them over each other, keeping the edges sharp and clean. This cute pink mouse pad is super big and soft. I love these RGB strip lights, they're super easy to put up. I lined the whole bottom and top panel of my desk in 30 minutes. Here's a sweetie pink neon lightning bolt. I was getting bored of the simple white keycaps on my Red Dragon keyboard, so I found this super cute ombre set. It goes perfect with my cat paw keycaps. This is the final look for now. I've linked all the products below. Hopefully you guys liked my video. Please thumbs up and subscribe if you're interested in more random crap.